If you would subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pin tweet here. This link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, so you can feel free to go here and just watch this. Okay, so price today gapped up above Friday session here and traded with a wide initial balance, so we need to see if price can manage to have a pullback towards Friday's high 800s and weekly close down to 790s or so. Of course, we need to see if this will manage to go down towards Friday's value area high, as this is the probability, the most probabilities. Also, if we see the weekly chart here, can see price just tested previous week high here, now trading below. We need to see if this was will be nice resistance and price will go towards previous week value area 800s, and then if it fails, if it goes down 740s. Of course, we need to be aware of the scenario that price will hold support here or straight at the open and just go to tag the monthly highs here at 900s or so. And if this happens, if we have a sustained breakout here. Also, US bank holiday today, so volumes might be light. So let's see how this can be traded. So we would like to see a retest perhaps at initial balance high, and what price will do there if it's the perfect trade location for a short, at least initially, and if then price just can consolidate and break out further upside. Let's give it some time to see what it does there. On VWAP, we need to see initiated the short trade here at 29s. Need to see if this resistance on VWAP will hold and price will manage to trade down to initial balance low, then eventually down towards 800s and fill the gap. Although it was better to wait up to initial balance high, but seeing some resistance here at midpoint and VWAP, so we like to trade against this. Hopefully this will not flash higher. Stopped out first trade here. It's not good to trade inside the initial balance, better wait for the edges though, so let's see what it does at the highs. Initiated another short trade here at the same level as previously. Price held resistance here on VWAP, although managed to stop me out here, then immediately go towards the below VWAP, so need to see if this can be sustained as a small range downtrend. Oh yeah, just reversing, not sure if need to touch this, to be honest. This is likely to remain like this, so let's see if it fails again at 40-44 area. Scale out first target here 10 points. You can see nicely resistance here, although good stopped out here first trade by a couple of points, so we need to see if this opening price and initial balance low would manage to fail to hold support, and price will move towards a gap fill at least, and then eventually down towards 750s. Not sure if it can move that much, but if this slow pace of downtrend continues, of course it can happen. So let's see how further down. So price had a second retest here at initial balance low. Need to see if this eventually will go towards 800 so we can flatten the short position. As expected, today should be low volume trading day due to the fact that US has bank holiday. So let's see if this high probability of price going towards previous day's highs or even value area high later on works out. So just flatten the short position here, no reason to hold. This is just slowly ranging and held support twice at initial balance low. So need to see if this will rally all the way up towards initial balance high or if once again will hold resistance here on VWAP. There is not much to be expected today though. Okay, so here we are now into the cash trading. Need to see if eventually price will manage to trade down to 800 or if it just grind higher where it does at initial balance high. If it goes at 800, this is value high of previous week. Point of control down to 760s, 770s or so. So as said earlier, not much to be expected today.